This tutorial is for you if you have just made the move from Adobe Illustrator to PADSystem for making and creating your sewing patterns. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to move your blocks, your slopers from Adobe Illustrator into PADSystem such that you don't have to create your blocks from scratch in PADSystem. This will save you a lot of time and effort. Let us get into it right now. So here is my 510 block that I want to take to PADSystem. First thing, I'll ensure that this file is in CYMK color mode. Right now it's in RGB, so I'll go to File, Document Color Mode, and choose CMYK color. I don't know why this is necessary, but I just found out that that's what works for me. When it is in RGB, I'm not able to get good import in PADSystem. Next thing is to export as DXF. File, Export, AutoCAD interchange file, DXF, that's what we want. Save. Okay, I already saved one earlier, so I'll replace it, yes. We ensure that the scale is 1:1. Every other thing else we can leave as default. Okay. So here we are in PADSystem Cloud. We want to bring in the DXF file that we saved in Adobe Illustrator so we can use it as block in PADSystem without having to start from scratch. So we'll go to upload, the symbol here, click on it, select upload, select the DXF file, this is it here, open, say OK, confirm upload, OK, and wait for a while for it to process. Now we have a new size 10 block. So we're going to click on it to open. You see here. So open it. Now we have our block in PADSystem. Let's select it. You can see now that the block we have has so many nodes on it than what is necessary. So what we're going to do is get rid of all these nodes by retracing it so that we can use it in PADSystem. Right now, I'm not able to work with it in PADSystem. It is a disaster right now. So now we have all the pieces selected. I'll go to Treatment, Piece Info, Shadow. Yes, we want to select the shadow on its shadow so you can see the changes we are making as we make it. So when I do something like this, I can see the initial line that will serve as a guide as I walk. Control Z. So now we start cleaning up by deleting the existing lines to make new lines. Delete using the backspace keyboard. Delete once, then backspace another time. So now the faint gray line here is the shadow that we are seeing. Now pick line tool, the segment tool, and draw a new line from this point to this point. We select, I want to draw a new shoulder line. Okay, the shoulder line here is quite straight. There are not too many nodes on it, so it doesn't really need cleaning. Okay, we want to clean the neckline now. Backspace once, twice, thrice. I'll draw a new segment from this point to this point. Then I'll go to the curve tool, come to the center, somewhere here on the segment, escape, and draw a curved line, make the line curved. Continue to do that by deleting the existing line and redrawing using the shadow as a guide. Now that we've retraced it, we try to see. Try to make the adjustments using the nodes. Okay, so I think it looks better now. Now the next thing, after you've traced a pattern piece, next thing you select it, click to select, and you go to treatment, set piece. You can set it as pattern piece or as plan. I'll set it as a piece right now. Shadow. So once we have created a new piece, we can go ahead and delete the whole pattern piece we traced from. Now we can go ahead and trace the other pattern pieces, the sleeve and the front bodies. And once we are through with that, we'll create new pieces and delete the ones we brought in.